Welcome to online classes of Shivaji Group of Institution. Myself Jiten Tripathi, your chemistry teacher. Student, today I am going to revision for the balancing of chemical equation. There are two methods for balancing the chemical equation. First one is the hit and trial method and second one is the partial equation method. Today I am discussing hit and trial method. In this method, first of all, count the number of element in given reaction and then make them equal to both sides. Okay. Next one, go for example. Step 1, just we take an example. Fe2O3 plus CO gives Fe plus CO2. Now in first step, count the atom on each side. On reactant side, iron is 2, oxygen is 3, carbon is 1, oxygen is 1. And in product side, iron is 1, carbon is 1 and oxygen is 2. Now in second step, first we balance iron atom. So what can I do? Multiply 2 on product side, iron is balanced, both side iron is 2. Now in third step, balance oxygen atom. Count total number of oxygen atom is left side is 4 and right side is 2. So what can I do? Multiply 2 on product side, so oxygen is balanced 4. Okay. Now fourth step, balance the carbon atom. In reactant side, carbon is 2 and now multiply by 2 on product side, so carbon is also 2. The balance carbon atom as well as oxygen atom on both sides, so we can multiply 3 in CO and 3 in CO2. Now all the atom are balanced in both sides. Check it. Iron is 2 on both sides, carbon is 3 on both sides, oxygen is 6 on both sides. This is the balanced chemical equation. Okay. Student, I am giving to you some practice problem in previous lecture by the hit and trial method. That is 5 question for balancing this method. Number 1 is the ZnCO3 plus HCl gives ZnCl2 plus H2O plus CO2. First we count the number of atom in both sides. Zinc 1, carbon 1, oxygen 3, hydrogen 1, chlorine 1, and product side zinc 1, chlorine 2, hydrogen 2, oxygen 1, carbon 1 and oxygen 2. Now in second step, balance the chlorine atom by multiplying 2 in reactant side. So here chlorine is balanced. As the chlorine is balanced, then total number of atoms are balanced in both sides. Check it. Zinc 1 on both sides, carbon is 1 on both sides, oxygen is 3 on both sides, hydrogen is 2 on both sides and chlorine is 2 on both sides. This one is a complete balanced equation. Now second example is N2O2 plus H2O gives NaOH plus O2. Now step 1, count the atom. 2, 2 is nitrogen, sodium and oxygen. 2, 1 hydrogen, oxygen. And product side 1 comma 1 comma 1, that is sodium, oxygen and hydrogen, and 2 oxygen. First we balance the sodium atom in second step. So multiply 2 on product side in NaOH. That's why sodium is balanced. Now in third step, balance the oxygen atom. What can I do? Multiply 2 in H2O and 2 in N2O2. So oxygen atom is how much? 6. Again sodium multiplied by NaOH multiplied by 4. Here oxygen is 4. In oxygen is 2. That's why oxygen is balanced. So balanced equation is what? 2 Na2O2 plus 2 H2O gives 4 NaOH plus O2. Now third one is the Mg3N2 plus H2O gives MgOH का whole twice plus NH3. Now in step 1, count the atom. In reactant side 3, 2 and 2, 1, and in product side 1, 2, 2 and 1, 3 respectively. Okay. Now in second step, balance the magnesium atom. So what I can do? Multiply by 3 in MgOH. That's why magnesium is balanced. Now in third step, balance the next atom, nitrogen. So multiply by 2 in NH3. So nitrogen is also balanced. Okay. Now in fourth step, balance the hydrogen atom. So what can I do? Multiply 6 in H2O. So all the atoms are balanced. Check it. 3 magnesium in both sides, 2 nitrogen in both sides, 6 oxygen in both sides, and 12 hydrogen in both sides. So all the atoms are balanced. This is the complete balanced equation. Now fourth question is the MnO2 plus HCl gives MnCl2 plus H2O plus Cl2. First we count the atom in both sides. In reactant side 1, 2, 1, 1. In product side 1, 2, 2, 1 and 2 respectively, all the atoms. Now in second step, first we balance the chlorine atom. In product side chlorine is 4 and reactant side is 1. That's why multiply by 4 in HCl, so that chlorine is balanced in both direction. Now in third step, balance the hydrogen atom. In reactant side hydrogen is 4, so multiply by 2 in water H2O, so that hydrogen is also balanced. All the atoms are balanced right now. Check it. 1 Mn in both sides, 2 oxygen in both sides, 4 hydrogen in both sides, and 4 Cl in both sides. This is the complete balanced equation. Now example number 5 is NH3 plus O2 gives N2 plus H2O. First we count the atom in first step. In both sides reactant and product 1, 3, 2, 2, 2, 1 respectively, all the atoms. Now in second step, first we balance nitrogen atom. So we multiply 2 in NH3. That's why nitrogen is balanced. Now in third step, balance the hydrogen atom. In reactant side hydrogen is 6, so multiply by 3 in water. That's why hydrogen is balanced. Now balance the oxygen atom. in reactant side oxygen is 2 and product side is oxygen is 3. So we multiply a suitable number in both sides. That's why all the atoms are balanced. What I can do? 4 in NH3, 3 in O2, 2 in N2 and 6 in water. What happened? 4 nitrogen in both sides, 12 hydrogen, 6 oxygen, so that all the atoms are balanced, hence reaction is completely balanced. Okay, that's all for today. Student, next class start within 5 minutes. Okay, goodbye.